Hello there. Thank you so much for allowing us to send you this video. Basically, I'm going to be talking about your website and how to get it optimized on site, and then also how to do off-site optimization. And this is basically what is going to cause your website to rank at the top of Google. It's called search engine optimization, and the on-site optimization has to do with all your content, basically on your first page here and all your subsequent pages, your service pages, your location pages. You have to have the necessary content, and for example, this first page, you'll need to have about 1,500 words of content, and that will give place to about 15 specific high volume search keywords that you would have to implement here. You definitely also want to make it a little bit more user friendly, so that you can read what's going on and those kind of things. Not many people may know that you're supposed to move the cursor over these, so they may not know what these specific images represent. But those are easy to fix, and it also includes the way your images are saved, the content, your taglines, your H1, your H2, your title tags, all this, the meta description. This is all considered on-site optimization, as well as your service pages. Yeah, you definitely would want to have the specific content laid out for these pages, maybe even separate them so that you can be found for TV mounting, or found for fitness equipment assembly, as well as your location pages. You definitely would want these to be separated. I noticed that they're not clickable, so I can't see what you're doing in Seattle or how you serve in the Bay Area or in Nevada, Georgia. You want these to be separate clickable pages so that those areas, people searching in those areas can find you and your services. And so for the off-site optimization, just go back to home. That would be considered all the on-site optimization. Your whole website would need to be optimized with the necessary content, your title tags, each location, every page optimized, your meta descriptions, your H1, H2, and the necessary keywords that you would want to be found for. Let's take your website and put it in this tool. This is a search tool that we use to find out how people are ranking or websites are ranking within Google. Right now there's no data, so either you're a fairly new company, or you just haven't done anything yet to optimize your site. So this is definitely what we will want to work on, and these are the three main components right here that go into search engine optimization: your content, referring domains or citations, and then backlinks. The referring domains represent like directory listings or anywhere that your website would be listed. So that could be a Yellow Pages, Yelp, Facebook, a blog, an online magazine. These referring domains will give you authority to have a link back to your page. So they would have your URL within their page. For example, this would be considered a backlink because I can click on it and go back to your page. So just to give you a little bit of a better understanding of what I mean by backlinks, referring domains, and keywords, I am going to Google handyman services in Los Angeles here. You definitely want to make sure that your locations are optimized. So you want to be found in those areas that you serve. What we're going to see here in the beginning are ads. These are paid ads that people have purchased from Google. Below that is called the map pack or the local pack. These are local listings. It is basically Google My Business that they have optimized in their certain search area or their area of service. And these Google My Business listings have been optimized in such a way that they've risen to the top. Now, I'm sure that there are hundreds of Google My Business listings throughout the region, but those three at the top, those are ads, but the three at the top have optimized their listing through reviews, the necessary content, their website, directions, phone number, everything that is needed to be found by Google to get to these top three positions. So that is something that we offer as well, a GMB optimization. But let's scroll down. Below that, you're going to find the organic search results. And this is the websites that have risen to the top based on their three components: keywords or content, their referring domains, and their backlinks. So let's just take this first one right here. This guy is as big as you guys are saying that you are with those national locations. So we're going to take him and I'm going to put him also in the search engine tool, the ranking tool. So you will see just how many backlinks, referring domains, and keywords. Now, you may have noticed that I took out the West Los Angeles location that was right here. I only did that because you are not saying that you're based mostly in Los Angeles. You're saying that you're based in many different areas, according to this right here. So this guy is also based in many different areas, and I wanted to show you just where he has gone in regards to backlinks, referring domains, and organic keywords. So he is ranking for just over 6,000 different locations that his website is listed, and that is giving power to 90,000 backlinks. And he is ranking for over 123,000 keywords within all his pages, subpages, all these local listings and various areas that he serves. So he has basically set up a listing page for every single area that he serves here in Los Angeles. And that's why he's at the top. I don't even think that this guy is national, but he's optimized every single location that he serves. And that's what we would want to do with your website and the location pages. So let's just go back. I want to take a look at the keywords. These are the type of words that you would want to implement within your website to be found for these searches. You definitely want this type of services that you offer. You also would want the word handyman services, and you can see that it's in various locations. So, for example, handyman will be on the first page. The handyman services may be in the about or ask a question page. This is the kind of thing. So you definitely want to have the necessary keywords with the services that you offer and the locations. So that is basically just an overview of what it's going to take to get Blue FIKS Pros, Blue FIKS Pros, I like that, very creative, to the top of the search, Google search, with the corresponding backlinks, referring domains, and organic keywords. Now, we would definitely optimize your page locally, so it is better and easier to rank above this national business. So that's just an overview. Please give me some feedback. Let us know how we're doing, and if you're interested in learning more or seeing how we can help you, prices and those kind of things, just respond to the email. Otherwise, I'll be reaching out to you probably next week. Thank you.